Upgrade your life. 10 psychological hacks you can use right now. Hello and welcome back to Amaze Things. Today we're going to share with you 10 amazing psychological life hacks that can help you in various aspects of your life. From social interactions to job interviews, these hacks have been proved to make a difference. So let's dive in. The Anti-Nervousness Hack. First up, feeling nervous before a big presentation or an adrenaline pumping activity? Chew gum. Our brains associate eating with safety, so chewing gum can trick your mind into feeling calm and composed. Try it out next time you're feeling the jitters. The foot clue hack. Ever wondered if someone wants to wrap up a conversation or if they're truly engaged? Pay attention to their feet. If their feet are facing away from you, they're likely ready to move on. And if you're trying to join a conversation, look for people whose feet are turned towards you. The first and last hack. Got a big interview coming up? Remember the primacy and recency effect. People tend to remember the first and last things that happen, rather than things that happen in the middle. So try and schedule your interview as the first or last appointment. It'll make you more memorable. The teaching hack. When learning something new, teach it to a friend. This not only reinforces your understanding, but helps you identify areas where you may need more clarity. If you can teach it well, you know you understand it well. The conversation waiting hack. A policeman friend told me this one. In any conversation, if someone partially answers a question, just wait. Maintain eye contact and stay silent. They'll usually continue talking, providing more information without any extra prompting from you. The anti-stress hack. Feeling stressed? Reframe it. The physical effects of stress resemble those of courage. So, when you're feeling overwhelmed, think of it as your body getting ready to be courageous instead of stressed. It's all about mindset. The happy to see you hack. Want people to be excited to see you? Be genuinely happy and excited to see them. Although it may not happen immediately, people will eventually reciprocate your enthusiasm, making interactions more enjoyable and engaging. The silent negotiation hack. In sales or negotiations, remember the power of silence. After making your pitch, stay quiet. The first person to break the silence tends to lose the negotiation. Embrace the awkward silence and you may just come out on top. The angry mirror hack. Working in customer service or at a bar? Place a mirror behind you at the counter. When angry customers see themselves in the mirror, they're less likely to behave irrationally, making your job a little bit easier. The lasting impression hack. Finally, remember that people will often remember how you made them feel rather than what you said. Be genuinely interested in others, ask questions, and let them talk about themselves. It'll leave a lasting positive impression. And there you have it. These 10 psychological life hacks can make a real difference in various aspects of your life. Try them out and see how they work for you. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a little like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let us know in the comments which life hack you found the most helpful, or if you have any other hacks you'd like to share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Stay amazing.